Have you accidentally deleted your graphics card driver in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you have accidentally deleted the graphics card driver on Windows PC, the solutions provided in this video should help you. When a graphics card driver is deleted, either the screen goes black or you lose some of your display's functionality. Now let's get started on how to fix the issue. Method 1. Run Windows Update. If your display is visible, run Windows Update following this guide and check if this helps. Method 2. Download the graphics driver. Windows will normally automatically reinstall the missing driver on a restart. If the driver is not reinstalled after restarting your PC, you can download it from the official manufacturer's website and install it manually. If you get any error while installing the driver, boot in safe mode and try installing the driver there. If your display is black, download the correct graphics card driver using another working computer. Copy the file to your USB flash drive and go back to the non-working computer and start it in safe mode. You can boot into safe mode through Windows Recovery environment. If the screen is visible, connect the USB flash drive and run the installer file to install the driver. Method 3. Check the driver status in the device manager. Open the device manager using Windows Search and expand the display adapters branch. If you see a yellow warning sign next to the graphics driver, remove it completely from your system. Download the latest version of your GPU driver from the official website of your computer's manufacturer. Now, download and install the display driver uninstaller software. Launch it and completely remove the graphics card driver from your system. After removing the driver, run the installer file to reinstall the driver. Method 4. Restore your system or reset your PC. If the display is visible, you can run the system restore tool. However, if the display is black, boot into Windows Recovery environment. To do so, force shut down your computer and wait for a few seconds, now turn it on. Press and hold the power button immediately when you see the manufacturer's logo or the Windows logo to force shut down your PC again. Repeat this step until your computer enters automatic repair mode. When you see the preparing automatic repair message on your screen, you are in WinRE. Now select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then System Restore. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.